how to set a lock screen pin or password on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. So you will see lock screen and always on display is here, so click on lock screen and always on display. Now here, so click on screen lock and biometrics and enter your phone pin. So if you want to set screen lock password, so click on password. So you will select password from here and again enter and click on OK. You will see lock screen password is set. So if you want to set pin, so enter your and click on pin, enter your phone pin and you will see pin is set. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set a lock screen pin or password on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.